Hi guys, I have a short and useful tutorial. We want to learn how to turn a render into a video. I am Alireza Khoshpayam and I hope I can teach you useful tips. Turn the render into a composition with drag and drop. Great. Click on the composition. Here we edit the composition size. 1080 is great for Instagram. Press the Enter key. Press the S key. Now we can change the size of our layer from this parameter. Make the size smaller. %, good for this scene. Enter the composition settings again. Edit the video duration from here. 5 seconds is good. Click OK. Import the rain footage into the composition. I used a high quality video with .mov format. Raindrops are not very clear. You have to be a little careful to see. To make the raindrops more visible, I duplicate the rain footage layer. From here. Great. Now we have 2 layers of rain footage. The shortcut for this command is the Ctrl and D. Now we have 3 layers of rain footage, and I think 3 layers is a lot. 2 layers of rain are more real. It was great. To make the work more attractive, we make a fake camera. In the first second of the video, we fix the value of the scale parameter. We create a keyframe. In the last second of the video, we slightly increase the value of the render scale parameter. By increasing the value of the scale parameter, a keyframe is automatically created. We simulated the movement of a camera in a fake way. Great! Press the backward key to display the full screen. Press the 0 key to watch the video and enjoy.